I made an Apple Music widget for my smart mirror, and I'm using gesture recognition to control my playlist so I don't have to touch it with my fingers. It's the same setup from before. This time I did attach a Pi cam to the inside so I can get camera input. For the code, I'll show you. I'm pulling up VNC Viewer so I can emulate my Pi desktop. But I'm using Chrome driver to access the Apple Music webpage, and to save my Chrome extensions and my sign-in, I'm using cookies, and I'm using Cilium to talk to the HTML and CSS. For the gesture recognition, freecodecamp.org has a YouTube video on OpenCV Python. Their AI mouse is what I used for my gesture recognition code. For the Apple Music portion of the code, I used this GitHub. I can't pronounce it, but I'll link it below. This is the code that I'm using to talk to the actual Apple Music webpage, like pause, play, next. It was written a while ago, so you do have to go to the Apple Music website and inspect some of the HTML so you can grab the new XPath. When you run the code in the test environment, 2 fingers to pause and play the song, 1 finger to do next song, and 3 fingers does like a special shuffle mode. And when you run the code on the actual mirror, I full screen it. I use my Chrome driver dark mode extension to keep it with the magic mirror look and feel. And I use my gesture recognition so I can skip through my songs and play them as intended. Thanks for watching. Bye.